Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In the last classes, we had completed two subclassifications of categorical plots, that is categorical scatter plots and categorical distribution plots we had completed, and in this class we will see other subclassification of categorical plots called categorical estimate plots. The name itself is conveying the meaning categorical estimate plots. These plots are used to estimate certain things, okay, certain data under consideration, okay. So under this classification we have three types of plots. One is point plot, the other is bar plot, and the third one is count plot, friends, okay. So let us discuss about each plot individually. Let me discuss point plot first. So the point plot is the plot which tells the variation, okay, variation from the given categorical variable to the numerical variable. Let us suppose say take in our data set time, okay, time, lunch or dinner or something like that. So from lunch, if you analyze lunch is taken as a categorical variable here, and the total bill is taken as a numerical variable. So the point plot shows the name itself is telling that points. It will mark 2 points, okay. So the minimum to the uh, to the maximum uh, between the lunch time, at the lunch time, okay. So if we analyze all these things in the Jupyter notebook, it will be better understood to you. Now I am trying to uh, explain these things by just showing the map. So it's somewhat difficult. Let me try, even though let me try. So this is the time. The time is a categorical variable, total bill is a numerical variable. The lines which are showed here is the data points, and this middle one is the point is the mean. The dot, zero dot is the mean, okay. This is the mean. Let us first consider the blue line, okay. Blue line means smoker history, yes. So for a smoker in the lunch time, this blue line is the total bill paid during the lunch time, and the point is mean. The zero is the point which is tagged here is the mean point. So from this to the upper mean, okay. So it was tagged here, right. So if you see it in the Jupyter notebook, it will be understood to you. And if he is a non-smoker, what is his activity in the lunch time? He paid say amount between these two. This is the mean value, and to the uh, maximum. Okay. So minimum to the maximum in the lunch time. Right. So this is about point plot, and we are what we are doing, we are doing the estimation between the means, okay. And the bar plot is a very famous plot which we generally saw everywhere in the cricket scoreboards, in the normal company sales, everywhere this bar plot is very famous. That means the it is also a plot between the categorical variable to the numerical variable, friends, and the items was drawn by using the bars. Okay, so that for example, take Thursday. In Thursday, this bar indicates uh, the mean. Okay, the mean on the Thursday when it is male. Okay, and here this color is for female. If you pass the argument hue to the method of SNS library, plot method of SNS library, we will distinguish the two sets of um, categories at one place, friends. Okay, so like that, so for male and female, and their total bills on the particular day will be showed here. By seeing this plot, we can quickly grasp the things that males are paying more bill than females. Okay, so that is the point to understand, right? So this is the bar plot and the count plot. Count plot, what it tells is it actually counts the data. Okay, counts the data. So let us take the categorical variable in the x-axis and the numerical variable on the y-axis. So y-axis is actually a count and x-axis is a categorical variable. So actually first second class man, this is the Titanic data set, friends. This is not our tips data set. So in the Titanic data set, the data set analyzes how many passengers are there in the Titanic, how many passengers is in the first class, second class and the third class. So in that first class, who are what type of people are available, whether the man or woman or child, like that it will goes on, the data set goes on like that. The count plot, what it do is it will simply uh, count the data points. See here it is a blue line. Blue line is for man, so that means the man, how many men's are available in the first class of the Titanic, first class chamber of the Titanic, 50, 100, it something around 120 like that. And in the first class, how many women is available in the first class? 0, 50, it says something around 90, and the child says something around 10. Okay, so it means it counts the data points under consideration. This is called count plot. So all these three plots are called categorical estimate plots, friends. Okay, and in the next class we will discuss about the each plot in detail. Okay, till then, bye bye. Yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening.